Hey guys.
Hi.
Hello.
I'm Steph.
And I think I'm Steph.
He's Alex.
Oh yeah, I am Alex.
And
Ooh, music.
oh my god.
How did that happen? Oh, music.
Anyways, we are about to try Chick-fil-A's new macaroni and cheese.
I want to eat it already. Look at this.
And
Look at this deliciousness. Oh.
got it for free with the reward members right here.
Oh, it's about to tilt. Oh. It looks so.
It smells really good.
Sounds wet.
But yeah, let's see how it tastes.
Mm-hmm.
You want to be first?
You know what?
I feel like I've been first the last couple times.
I haven't filmed close up in a while, so I feel like I want to do that. Okay. And give you guys, a close up view of. You want me to go first?
Whatever you want, boo. I can go first.
I'll let her go first.
All right. Are we recording?
She loves macaroni, so can't wait. It smells so good.
It does smell good.
Whoa.
It's kind of hard at the top, so trying to.
That's very southern. Damn, I want to try it so bad. It smells so good. Oh my god.
I like it. That's good.
I'm about to eat that.
That's good.
Yes.
I can work with that.
I can definitely work with this. I might just eat it in one bite. Like, look at this. Steamy.
Just kidding.
I didn't even see what you was doing. Huh. I feel like somebody sold us out of my granny's house. That is cheesy and delicious. And from a fast food place.
Right?
Oh, man. This is delicious. That is a sin. My God. I feel like it's going to be over in like 2 bites. Honestly, if you're a macaroni fan, you're going to be like...
It would be, done for, because this shit is good.
She just ate the whole baked top, the little punky. She left me a little section of baked top. Dang, she is savage, bro. She didn't even, save me some of the top. I barely got some right here, but it's cool. She's so mean to me.
Couldn't help it. Sorry. It just happened. Just finish it.
Nope. Don't you trying to equal us out? She owe me on the next one.
I got you, boo. I got you.
When I say she's going to pay. She's going to eat something she doesn't like, probably.
Oh my God. If that hasn't already happened before.
Just going to keep
Honestly,
happening.
at this point, I don't know what could be worse than fucking peanut butter.
What are 2 things she doesn't like? Challenge accepted. I'm going to find something.
No.
I'm going to find something she don't like.
So, what would you rate this?
On a scale of macaroni, from 1 to 10, from that horrible one we seen that somebody did a non-baked macaroni for the holidays, which is obviously a -10, to the old school southern macaroni, which is always a 10 for me. That was close to it. I would say that is a 9. Nothing's perfect for a macaroni to me personally, because sometimes the homemades could definitely be better, but it comes very close.
I agree. I would say a 9 too.
We agree. Good. We agree.
It's good.
So I'm like, what was the best part of the macaroni? Say it.
The baked part.
Which was what?
The top part.
Yep. And what did you do with the top?
Which I consumed most of it.
Yes, she did. Sharing is not caring, apparently. Hurt.
I didn't think I was going to. Usually I don't like the topping, the baked parts a lot.
And she still took it. Oh, man. It must have said 9. Worthy of a 9. Definitely. I say 9. It's delicious. The texture was great. The cheeses, it tastes like multiple cheeses at all.
Yeah.
It didn't feel like just one cheese. It
Like
felt
a little
multiple.
blend of them.
Mm-hmm. Good job, Chick-fil-A. We love you.
Let's see if this item stays on the menu.
It should. It should stay permanent. It should be a permanent thing. I would not change up a thing.
Yeah.
Anyways, I'm Alex.
And I'm Steph.
This was pretty dang good. This is what the food.
As in one, did I just eat?
Well, obviously you know what you ate because you obviously ate it all from me. So
good.
Look at her still. She's scraping up the cheese sauce.
I really am. It's really hard to get out because this thing is really small. But
Why don't you just use your finger?
Oh, duh.
Wow. I'm mind blown. Goodbye.